Okay, a couple new things here. Yeah, everything went well in your videos. Good. So yeah, that rhythm that you did for number 3 last time, that's going to tie into what we got here for numbers 1 and 2. I also want to try doing some octave shapes with you. Used in metal and rock sometimes. Uh, Basically, if you haven't done one of these, it's like holding a power chord, but the middle note is removed. So just take that ring finger out, and you're left with that. So your index finger, like the pad of the finger there, needs to barely touch the A string, or whatever string's in the middle. This way you don't hear it ringing out. So we're just playing octaves there. So with this rhythm, basically the first half of the bar, that's what you did for everything in number 3 last time. So we have that kind of rhythm there. So we do the first half of the bar with that, and then what we do on the second half is take out the upstroke. So yeah, making sure that your foot is definitely tapping on all those downbeats, really, really helpful, especially at the slower speeds. When it gets faster, there's a little bit of a trick, and I think you'll probably do well with it. But we want to make sure that foot tap is in there, so when the upstroke here in the second half is removed, that foot tap is what you're going to feel instead of hitting that upstroke. So this way you're feeling something when that downbeat happens, and you're trying to keep everything spaced evenly. So basically what's happening here is you got these 3 chords evenly spaced across the 2 beats. 3 across 2 polyrhythm. Or another way of looking at it is quarter note triplets, because that's what it is. It's a tripleted quarter notes there. Say those 3 chords are evenly spaced across the 2 beats. So another way of looking at it is like that. So basically, a quarter note is 2/8 notes long, and then when you put it in this triplet fashion, in these 2plets, you got, that's the 2/8 notes right there, and you can see that 8th note's tied to the 8th note, so 2/8 notes, and that's 2/8 notes as well. So looking up here, for that, you're playing on the 3, the A, whoops, didn't want to do that. Yeah, the 3, the A, and, so 3, and, dut, dut, dut. So on its own, like if you're just doing something like that, it's not difficult at all. But when you're making sure that you're spacing it across that whole triplet grid, that's when things become weird. So let's get into it. 60. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 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 1. I started strumming. I lost my concentration, and I started strumming the wrong thing. I'll just say what I was thinking there. So a new thought came to mind. So yeah, I like to say the 4, beat number 4 in the second half of the bar to help make sure I'm spacing it well. So that could be very helpful for you and helps a lot of people. So something to keep in mind when playing that. You could just go 1, 2, and 3, and, but again, if you find it more helpful to say the 3, 4 and, to make sure that the 4 is in the right place, try it. So maybe try it with, try it without, see which one makes more sense to you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 made of the power chord at the end to have it be a more impactful ending. All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, up, and 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 1. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, up, and 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 1. So going past this, especially when you get to the second half of the bar, instead of trying to think of it like the or like the 3 go 4 and 3 go 4 and 3 go 4 and 3 go 4 and then tapping your foot that fast, if you can just lock onto every other click, the 1 dut 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 1 2 3 1 2 1 1 1 and just kind of just think about strumming 3 evenly spaced strums every 2 clicks. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So trying to get all that in like you're doing basically like a sextuplet kind of thing where you're dividing it up into 6 pieces instead of the 3, even though the metronome's clicking like that. So it's like another way of thinking about it on this kind of rhythm. So like 1 2 3 4. So I hope that makes sense. Let's try the 240. So again, even though metronome's clicking like this, you can have that rhythm thought of a little bit different. So like every 2 clicks you can lock onto that. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 1 2 3 4. Oh man, maybe 240's not happening. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Holy moly. All right, number 2. Everything is the polyrhythm. So another way of looking at this, or another way of counting it, is you can, so this is a mix of the octave shapes and the chords. So we basically do the octave shape first, and then switch to chords. You could also practice it by counting everything, like all the 8th note stuff, or the 8th note triplets, and you basically just strum on every other one. So some to try, and see how it feels to you. Not necessary, but just another option as far as the counting. So you could count as like the 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and it's kind of like we talked about. And that was demonstrated, or you can say all of it, like the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and kind of emphasize the part you do play on. So I'll do both to show you what I mean. 1 2 3 4 1 2 and 3 4 and 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 right. 120. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So at this tempo, you might want to try thinking of it as locking into every other beat and spacing it out. Those 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but then it kind of misses that cool rhythm. I'm going to save it for the faster one. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, Alright, let's go to 160 next. So here's a good speed to like think about locking onto every other beat and just get those 3 evenly spaced downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then go to a chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, one, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'll stop on that one. Number 3. This is gearing up towards another polyrhythm, a much more challenging one, I think. Eventually, it's going to be a 3 across 4 polyrhythm. So you're going to have 3 chords evenly spaced across 4 beats. So we got the octave shapes for the first half, and then some dyads for the second half. I want to see how you do with these. Maybe we can use them more often. But basically, you're going to strum the same thing 4 times, and then you change, strum that 4 times, change 4 times. So yeah, things are going to end up lasting basically 4 tripleted eighth notes long, and kind of spacing the grid out that way. So counting 4, counting how many times you strum stuff, that's what I like to do on this one. So, for example, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's in the wrong spot. I sure did. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, All right, 120. So yeah, when you're doing this, every time you change chords or octave shapes, you'll be doing it with a downstroke because you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, and then change. So always on the downstroke is when you make a change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to 160. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Let's give 200 to go. 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. give 240 a go. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God! 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Okay, there we go. Any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new videos.